folks, it's me again. This is a video to my viewers, if I still have any viewers left. Mostly because I don't know what to do with this. And it was given me for free. I'm in the fire department. Been there for about 30 years. Haven't been too active lately because kids, life, and whatever. Should probably retire. Yeah. Only if there was some retirement benefit. It'd be fun. But it was volunteer. I enjoyed it. It was fun. I kind of miss pulling people out of cars. It's quite interesting. But anyway, that's a total another video. I was given this because I said, if you're getting rid of them, can I have one? And it's an MSA air pack bottle. I don't know if it's solid aluminum or... I'm not really sure. It's fiberglass. I don't know if it's... I'm not sure if it's aluminum or fiberglass, or it's all fiberglass with an aluminum tip. I'm not sure. But I have my question for my viewers is what should I do with this? Should I, you've seen people make toilet paper holders out of them, but that's the flat bottom metal one. I don't know. Should I cut the one top off and whatever? Should I screw a thing in the top here and cut it off and make a light bulb hanger thing? I don't know. I can cut it this way. Maybe I should bring it to a person with a water jet and just slice it down the middle. Anyway, if you have any questions, and what do I do it? Anybody got a clue? What in the world could I possibly do with a MSA air pack bottle? I've had, I probably had this one on my back at one point or another in a fire. It's not that big. I think it's all solid fiberglass. I don't know until I slice it in half or in pieces. I don't know. But I'm sure I could find something to make. And either a vice stand. I could cut the top off and use it as a thing to put metal rods in. That's easy peasy. I could maybe attach a pipe on it and use it as a giant bugle stick. I don't know. Maybe cut it out and make a giant paddle out of it somehow. Birdhouse. Yeah. Screw it on a pole. Make a birdhouse out of it. That might work. I don't know. I could pack it with some kaboom stuff and make it go kaboom, but that would kind of, maybe I'd have to end the channel because I'd be serving time for blowing windows out 3 miles away. I don't know. Maybe I can put a mouthpiece and make some kind of flute out. Make a keg out of it. Put a tap on it. Water fountain. I could do like Home Alone and hang a thing in front of my door. Somebody breaks in and just bashes them in the head. I think I get arrested for that because of this stupid province and country. Oh, you're not allowed to protect yourself. Oh. So, I don't know. I don't know what to do with it. So if anybody has a clue what to do with this fancy bottle, yes, you can say I'm a junk collector because this is technically junk. And you gotta give it give it a second life. Maybe you can make guitar out of it. That might work. Cut it down the middle. Fill it with maybe cut it straight in half. Put a guitar neck on it and put frets and boards and all that shit on it. That might work. I wonder if I can make it into an acoustic. Maybe. I don't know anything about guitars. I can turn it into a water pack. I don't know how tasty the water would be. Put a little nozzle on there. Put a tap. I don't know. Or I could use it for hand cleaner. Cut the top off, pour hand cleaner, put the pan cleaner pump down here. That's another one. What else? Don't know. Put on my grinder and just grind it up, make dust and give myself lung cancer. That's another one. So anyway, if you have any suggestions, it's big. It's about this big. I don't know. What is it, like maybe 8 inches around? They're pretty heavy. This one's actually lighter than I think the metal ones. If I get another one, I'll let you all know. But until then, this is a video for my audience. I will if I get more than one viewer on this video, let me know what you think I should do with it. Or maybe you want it, I could send it to you in the mail. Just put postage on it. Maybe you can do something with it and send it back to me. But for now, that's just it. Ta-da! It's out of my car. I've been putting this thing in my car, in my truck, back and forth for what, 3 weeks? Because I use my car over the border, take everything out. Use my truck over the border, take everything out, back and forth. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Toodles.